everybody, how's it going? So I'm here in, what fucking town are we in?
We're in Leeuwarden in the Netherlands.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, what he said. So we're at the Deep Grooves vinyl pressing plant in the Netherlands. We've been talking back and forth for the last few months about coming here. I knew I was coming up for TGU. I thought, hey, great excuse to go see the Netherlands and check it out. And so I got to say, I just walked in here. I'm super impressed with the whole operation you got going on. The place is a lot smaller than I thought it would be. But I was asking you guys some preliminary questions. You guys are doing vinyl pressing specifically for the independent artist, right?
Exactly. That's what we do. We do pressings from 150 to 300 to 2,000 pieces, everything you want.
Okay, so you can do a pressing of 150 records and get away, and that's it. That's all you need to do.
Exactly. Yeah, that's what we do.
That's pretty cool. I mean, like for you guys out there on a budget, this might be something really cool worth checking out. Now, I need to caution you guys, if you're considering getting something done for vinyl, just remember, there's an actual manufacturing process involved. You're going to have to wait for a while before you get your records in your hand. It's not a question of just rendering something, sending it off to DistroKid, and you're online in 24 hours on all the different stores. What's your usual turnaround time?
At this moment, it's 6 to 10 weeks.
And if you're self-mastering for vinyl, don't, right?
Don't. Get a good mastering guy. Get a good mastering guy who knows what he's doing for vinyl, because it's very specific.
Right. If you're in LA, you can check out my good friend Maor Applebaum, or if you're in Toronto, you can check out my friend Phil Demetrio over at Lacquer Channel Mastering. Lacquer Channel, I know, has an actual acetate lathe. We did a show on that a few years back. I actually stopped by and visited. We actually cut an acetate right there. It was super cool. They got like this old Neumann lathe. It's pretty wicked. But it's definitely a different game. You were talking about, they actually have to cut off some of the low frequencies. Like, what's involved with mastering for vinyl that you wouldn't see like for mastering for CD?
Well, I'm not really a mastering guy, but what I know is like 250 hertz. So the lowest frequencies always have to be cut off. Until 200 or 300 hertz have to be in mono as well. Oh, wow. Some mid frequencies have to be cut off, and from 15,000 hertz, so the highest frequencies have to be cut off as well.
Wow, I had no idea. I mean, Okay, I did not know about the mono thing either. That's actually pretty new to my ears. Then again, I've been working with digital for 25 years, so.
Yeah. That's a whole different thing. You wouldn't hear the difference in a vinyl and a digital master at first, but if you listen closely and on the vinyl record and on the digital master as well, there's going to be difference in that.
Wow. So you definitely recommend. Have you had a situation where you've had a recording come in and you guys just simply can't press it?
Well, pressing always works, but after the lacquer has been cut and a stamper has been made, then you hear the first result. So it happened before that distortions were coming in, and weird things can happen,
And I'll bet you that can get expensive too if you have to cut another master.
Yeah, you have to do the whole pre-production again if it's not mastered right.
We were taking a look at some of the records, and they're very thick and they're rounded off like the old school records you would get back in the '60s and that kind of thing. And you guys even do like the retro '60s.
The tip-on sleeves.
Yeah, exactly. These are just super cool. I can't turn this one around. This is very
graphic.
Very Netherlands. Let's just put it that way. No, I don't need to get demonetized. Just go check it out online, you perverts. The one thing I really liked was the fact that you've got multicolored vinyl as well.
Absolutely. We do, I think, 25 colors right now. Around 25. Yeah.
And then you can do blends as well, can't you?
Yeah, we can do marbled mixtures of the colors.
That's super cool. Now, do the colors cost extra?
They do.
Okay, so keep that in mind. But yeah, if you want to get a lime green record with white marbling or something like that, yeah, they can do it.
Absolutely, that's possible, of course.
So there's a huge resurgence in vinyl now, and you guys are like the rarest thing of all. You're actually a new vinyl pressing plant.
We are. We just started, I think, almost 2 years ago, and it's a lot of indie artists who are more than welcome to do their pressing here.
Fantastic. And you were saying you just got your website online. What's the URL of that?
It's deepgrooves.eu.
check that out. Oh, and do them a favor. Head on over to their Facebook page. I'll have the link in the description below. And give them a like, because they've got a live like counter in here. So if you guys could check it out, that'd be great. It'd make their day if we could make that like counter go up a little. All right, so seriously cool operation you got going on here. Thanks so much for having me. I really appreciate it. And if you guys want to get your record pressed and have something really cool and really unique and something you can't download off the internet, and you can bring it to sell at your merch table, and people are going, oh, that's really cool. Yeah, check out deepgrooves.eu. They can probably make something really awesome for your band. Definitely worth checking out. Anyway, until next time, as always, Hasadigi boy.